Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you a very popular tool, Ahrefs, which is very well known for SEO and its metrics. Uh, I am going to tell you about the free version that can be accessed to get the metrics of your website. So without a delay, let me just move on to that page. So as you can see here, I have a keyword. So once I get this, I've just clicked on it. So here it is saying sign up for free. So I'll go ahead and perform a sign up. So I'll prefer going with Google. So it's not letting me sign up with Google. So I just have to give my email address. I'm going ahead and making a sign up. So once this is done, it's asking me to check my email. So let me go ahead and sign in. So the Google did work. So I'm saying it's from Google. I'll just continue. So in this we have got two options, either import my Google Search Console or I can add it manually and get it verified. So if I have to do it manually, I would have to place some tag in my head section of the website and do a manual verification. I'll go ahead and do a import and see if that works, because I already have a import that is working. So, or I'll do one thing, because I have to, I'll check with the manual import, because I will have to register another email ID which I don't want to do. So let me go ahead and do a manual verification. So if that is the case, I have to give my website address. This is the website. Let me give the project as the same. So it already took the one. So folder. So you'll have to upgrade. In the free version you can't have a folder. So that is correct. So I'll go ahead and move. Verification. So let me go ahead and do this one. So again it is asking me to link my Google account. So which are the other methods? So I have a HTML tag. So I'll go ahead and put this in the head section, which is good for me. So let me just copy this. Okay, so I have to copy in the HTML code of my home page, and it should go in the head section. So for that I'll have to go to the Wix. So in the Wix editor you would have to mainly go to the settings and go to the custom code. So in this you will have to add a new custom code to the head or body of the website. So I'll go in for load once, and in the head section I'll go specifically for, so this would anyway take home page as my default page. So let me go and apply this. So once that is done, I should be able to see that in my, so yeah, I've already done this. So let me go back and refresh the page. So in my view page source, I should be able to see the tag. So let me do a Control F and a Control V. So yeah, the tag is already there. So let me go back to that and do a verification. So I'll go ahead and do a continue. Okay, so I just went ahead and did a recheck status. So now my ownership is verified. So I'll go ahead and do a continue. So everything looks green. So this is the crawl schedule, should be fine with what is set. So I'm not editing any of the crawl settings because the default ones should be fine. So I'll just go ahead and do a finish. So this will take some time, but once that is done, it will, yeah, it has gone to the dashboard and it is showing me the metrics of my website after crawling. So according to this, my domain rating is 0.4 and I've got 15 domains. Backlinks I have 15. The organic traffic is 0.25. Organic keywords is 5, and most of it are from United States. So this is a little different from what other SEO tools are giving me, especially the Moz. But I rely on this because the crawling has taken place currently. Probably I'll have another look after a day or so. So this should be how your domain rating and other metrics is being shown. So if you want to see the Google search performance, you can I'll do one thing. I'll just try and link this Google search console and see if it has any other metrics. So since it's my other email ID, did not want to do that, but I guess so. I'm just continuing. So it has linked. Anytime I can unlink it, so should not be an issue. So as you can see, it is showing me almost the same rating, which is 0.3. Ahrefs ratings are considered more reliable, so I'll go ahead with this one. And this actually gives me the overflow of how my domain has been performing over a period of time. So as you can see, I've started it in around 2021, so it has seen a growth since then. So I have new and lost domains and backlinks as well. I have a TLD, that is my distribution is around India, and so these are the anchor tags that I've been using along for creating backlinks. So this is how you get a report, and mostly most of this is in the upgraded plan. There are a few links which are available in your free plan, so you can make use of it. So as you can see, I've got different backlinks. Interestingly, SEMrush has got a different metric altogether. So this probably may be a topic of discussion. So as you can see here, it is showing my authority score as 10 and I have 25 referring domains and 51 backlinks, as opposed to what Ahrefs is showing me. So if I go to the overview and it says I have 15 backlinks, it should be fine. I think it's taking the top level domains, not sub level domains. So I'll just review further and make another video in comparison to SEMrush and Ahrefs markings on my website. So if you have found some value in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want more such videos, please comment. Thank you for watching.